breathing, it's broken down into two parts, and as I said before, we've done the first two parts already. So quick recap. As per usual, anytime we come to do any sort of meditation or breath work, please make sure you're sitting comfortably. I'm on the floor, but you don't have to be on the floor. You can have your legs. Oh, my legs aren't working today. Hips are feeling a bit old stiff today. So, but make sure you're sitting comfortable, and always aim for this long spine. We will, in future videos, be talking about how to position the body for meditation or breath work. But for now, just do what you can just to sit up, to lengthen your spine, to sit up. Okay? And do a quick recap. So, the alternate nostril breathing, we do a couple rounds of single nostril breathing. So, we've got the thumb. You remember here? Put your thumb over those two fingers. So you've just got your ring finger and your little finger. So you put your thumb on your right nostril. Breathe out through the left. Breathe in through the left. Switch out through the right. Breathe in through the right. Close the left, close the right, out through the left. Okay, so that in essence is the practice for alternate nostril breathing. We're not doing retention because again I feel that normally I do retention, holding the breath, once I've worked with you for a bit longer. So today we're just literally going to practice this single nostril breathing. Again, traditionally you would breathe in and breathe out, and the exhalation is double the inhalation. So if you breathe in for 2, you're going to breathe out for 4. And I think that feels about right for today, yeah? So spell with it, see how it feels. I always say listen to your body, do what feels best for you. But today we're going to let's go for 4 rounds of breathing in for a count of 2, breathing out for a count of 4, breathing in for a count of 2, breathing out for a count of 4. And that's 1 round. Alright? Play around, see how you feel, and just take it at your own pace. So prepare yourself. Make sure you've got a really nice long spine. Sometimes it's nice just to do some sort of gentle swaying. Okay, so put those index fingers down. So you just got your little finger and your ring finger. Place your thumb on your right nostril. So right hand, right nostril. So just breathe out through the left to start off with. So just do a full breath out for 4. Then breathe in for 2. So breathe in on 1, on 2. Switch nostrils. Breathe out on 1, on through your nose, on 2, on 3, on 4. Breathe in on 1, on 2. Switch. Breathe out on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Full breath in, breathing from the belly. Breathe in on 1, on 2. Switch. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. I'm going to be silent now, so breathe in. Let's do one more cycle. Well done. Ooh, So just release your hands back to your thighs, back to your lap. And just take a moment to tune in and check in and get a sense of how your headspace feels, that space between your ears. Just get a sense of how calm the mind is feeling. Well done. Well done. Excellent work. Well done. Well done, angels. Excellent work. Well done. Pat on the back and a hug. Yes. Excellent. Well done. So that was single nostril breathing. You're breathing in for a count of 2 and you're breathing out for a count of 4. And it's a really calming breathing practice. Excellent preparation for meditation and excellent preparation for the full cycle of alternate nostril breathing, which we're going to come on to in a later date. Okay, so thanks for your time, thanks for your energy, and tomorrow we're going to continue just practicing this alternate nostril breathing cycle, just so it becomes something that you can use as a tool to use to de-stress during the day at work. When you wake up in the morning, it's a great practice to do first thing in the morning. That is part of my morning routine, yeah? A few rounds of alternate nostril breathing or box breathing. Okay, so thanks for your time. Remember, tell a friend if you really enjoyed this video, if you found it useful. And as per usual, everything I teach, it's literally based on personal experience, professional training, and in my book, Meditation Beginners. All right then, dear friends, take good care of yourself. Be well, be happy. Cheers. Namaste.